In this video, we will talk about membership operators. So what are membership operators? So these operators are used to check if a particular Python object is a member of another Python object or not. So I have already demonstrated you Python membership operators in Python strings video. Okay, let me give you the same example again. So here I'm writing name is equal to Gurmeet Singh. Okay, now if I want to check that a particular word or a character is a part of name, then I can use membership operator in it. Okay, so like this, there are only two membership operator in Python, and these are in and not in. Okay, in and not in, these are only two membership operators that are available in Python. Now if I want to check that double ET, these three characters is a part of name or not, then I can make use of membership operators. So how? Here I'm directly writing in the print statement EET in name. Okay, so this will return true if the string EET will be a part of the main string name, and if it is not a part of the main string, then it will return false. So these operators also return a Boolean value. You see, it returns true because EET is a part of the main string. And let me make the second E capital. Now it will return false because E capital ET is not a part of the main string. So case sensitivity is here. Okay, you can apply the membership operators for iterable objects only. Okay, a string is an iterable object because it is a collection of characters, right? That's why you can apply membership operator on it. The other iterable objects are like list, set, tuple, etc., right? So here I'm creating list with Gurmeet, Aman, and then Daman. Okay, and then if I want to check, let's say Aman is a part of this list name, then I can make use of membership operator like Aman in names. And again there is also another operator, not in. Okay, not in is the reverse of in membership operator. It just returns true if Aman will not be in the list names. Okay, and let me just run this one. You can see Aman is in the list names, that's why this one returns true. As it says Aman not in names, this returns false because Aman is in the list names. So this way you can make use of membership operators at different instances in Python.